Happy New Year, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm so excited to share how you can use colors and decor items to activate the wealth energy in 2025. Let's get started! During period 9, the number 9 star is the ruling star and the most auspicious star. It's associated with the fire element, which symbolizes brightness, warmth, and prosperity. The star's energy is all about success, wealth, and happiness. In 2025, the number 9 star will move to the east sector of your home on the 4th of February. So now is the perfect time to plan and prepare your east sector. By getting everything in order ahead of time, you'll be ready to fully tap into this powerful energy of the number 9 star as soon as it arrives. In this video, I guide you step by step on how to decorate and activate this auspicious energy in key areas of your home, whether it's your front door area, your living room, bedroom, or kitchen. So if you're ready to welcome positivity, prosperity, and abundance into your life, keep watching. This video is for you. Let's talk about why 2025 is such an important year. 2025 is the year of the wood snake, represented by 乙巳. 乙 symbolizes the wood element, while 巳 represents fire. In the 5-element cycle, wood enhances fire, which makes the fire energy very strong. And here's an exciting part. We are currently in period 9, the age of strong fire energy. According to I Ching, one of the oldest Chinese wisdom texts, 2025 corresponds to the hexagram 泽火革, which symbolizes transformation. This hexagram represents a powerful message. It is a year to let go of the old and embrace the new. It tells us to adapt, innovate, and step into fresh opportunities with an open mind and a renewed spirit. In Feng Shui, 2025 presents the perfect opportunity to realign your living space for positive change and growth. So, what are the lucky colors that work best with the number 9 flying star? First up, shades of red. Red is bold, warm, and vibrant. It symbolizes wealth, prosperity, and vitality. It's highly compatible with the fire energy of the number 9 star. Shades of orange also belongs to fire. It brings positivity, energy, and fun to the space, perfect for uplifting the energy in your living space. Soft pink tones are another great option. Pink is also a fire element, but offers a more soothing, nurturing vibe. It's associated with love, empathy, and care. It's most suitable for homes that has a neutral and airy color palette. Violet tones are both spiritual and reflective. It adds depth and introspection to the fire element's vibrancy. These shades can enhance your connections to your inner self while maintaining an auspicious atmosphere. But that's not all. Since wood enhances fire in the productive cycle, green tones are also incredibly lucky in 2025. From soft sage to rich emerald, green tones work beautifully with the east sector's natural wood energy. They bring balance, new growth, and a refreshing feel to your space while amplifying the positive impacts. By combining these colors, you're not just decorating, you are creating an energized, harmonious environment that supports prosperity and abundance for 2025. The front door is one of the most crucial areas in Feng Shui because it's the gateway for energy to enter your home. A beautifully styled front door doesn't just make your home look nice, it actually helps attracting and circulating positive energy throughout your space. When it comes to incorporating lucky colors for the front door, there's no need to repaint your front door red or orange, but if you're feeling adventurous, why not? Instead, you can keep things simple and flexible by adding pops of colors around the entryway. For example, you can choose a doormat in a bold, vibrant shade like red, orange, or green, or go with patterns that incorporate these lucky colors. This small touch helps to activate the fire and wood energy right at your doorstep. If you have a long hallway, you can place a colorful runner to pull that good energy deeper into your home. You can select any shades of reds, orange, greens that feels cheerful and inviting, something that makes you smile every time you walk in. You can also decorate the walls near your front door with artwork featuring vibrant flowers or large plants. These motifs align beautifully with the wood element and symbolize growth and harmony. Additionally, you can place colorful flowers on the console table in the foyer. These flowers are not only visually attractive, but they also help to attract the positive energy. Here's something important to keep in mind. Many people think that flying stars only affect the inside of the house, but they actually influence the outside surroundings as well. That means you can also enhance the positive energy of the number 9 star right outside your front door. And here's how you can do it. You can add vibrant flowers or plants with large oval-shaped leaves outside your front door or front yard to help attract positive, welcoming energy into your home. If your bedroom is located in the east sector, it means that you naturally absorb positive energy while you sleep. Isn't that fantastic? It means that in 2025, your bedroom is more than just a resting place. It becomes a source of uplifting vibes. So to enhance this energy, make sure you open your windows regularly, allowing fresh, vibrant energy to flow into the room. When decorating your bedroom, the key is to strike a balance between activating positive energy and maintaining a calming and restful environment. Bright, vibrant colors might be great for other parts of the home, but in the bedroom, they can be a bit overwhelming and might even disrupt your sleep. Instead, choose soft, muted tones that promote relaxation. You can choose blush pink, lavender, or warm beige. These colors gently incorporate the fire energy while still maintaining a tranquil atmosphere. Alternatively, you can add pops of red, orange, violet through pillows or small accessories in the bedroom. These accents activate fire energy, add a visual interest, and they won't overwhelm the relaxing atmosphere. In terms of lighting, I highly recommend a pair of bedside lamps with warm lighting to symbolize balance, passion, and harmony. They not only enhance the fire energy, but also adds a cozy glow to your room. From a Feng Shui perspective, if you're married, I wouldn't recommend placing flowers or even floral pattern beddings in the bedroom, as this symbolize distractions that could lead to relationship instability. However, if you are single looking for love, flowers in the bedroom or floral beddings are excellent. They can attract peach blossom luck and help you to find a partner. In Feng Shui, the living room is considered one of the most important areas of your home and is closely associated with the husband or head of the family. A well-balanced living room can enhance the family's overall fortune and luck. If your living room is located in the east sector, there are several effective ways to activate the auspicious energy of the number 9 star in 2025. First, let's talk about the money corner. The money corner is the furthest corner from the entrance of your living room and is a powerful spot to activate wealth energy. In 2025, we can place a money tree in this corner to symbolize growth, abundance, and prosperity. Additionally, you can place red envelope containing some coins or cash in the corner. It's simple yet highly effective way to amplify the wealth attracting energy in your space. Wood is your best friend in the east sector because it naturally supports the wood element and enhances fire. So in the living room, you can incorporate a wooden coffee table or wooden decor items. This will not only anchor the element but also brings a touch of nature, enhancing positive energy within the space. In terms of colors, here's my recommendation. While I don't recommend using large furniture in bold red or green as it can be overwhelming, however, you can still incorporate the lucky colors by using cushions, throws, or accent pieces in shades of red, orange, pink, violet, or green. These decor items enhance the visual appeal of the space and are effective in promoting good feng shui. But if your home has a minimalist design and you don't want to use too many colors, what you can do is to add a rug in warm tones to subtly introduce the fire element. Plants are great for supporting the wood and fire energy. Pick healthy, vibrant plants with lush leaves. They'll instantly elevate the vibe of your space and add a fresh, natural touch. If you have a console table in the living room, you can add a pair of red candle holders to boost the fire energy along with a vase of bright, fresh flowers to create a cheerful and uplifting atmosphere. These small details can make a big difference. Another recommendation is to spend quality time in the living room with your family and friends. Laughter, conversation, and movement can stimulate the positive energy in this space, making it even more powerful. If your kitchen is located in the east sector, congratulations! In 2025, this position is highly favorable. By preparing meals more often in this area, you are naturally welcoming prosperity and abundance into your home. Here are some practical and stylish ways to enhance your kitchen's feng shui. Add pops of green or red through easy swaps like kitchen towels, utensils, or even a red toaster or blender. These colors work beautifully with the fire energy of your kitchen. It subtly boosts its energy without overwhelming the space. So to make your kitchen beautiful and brimming with life, you can also place a vase of vibrant red, orange, pink, or purple flowers on your bench top. Flowers can naturally attract auspicious energy into the space. And one final piece of advice, declutter your space. It's simple, but it can be challenging to maintain. No matter how beautifully your space is designed with colors and style, if it's filled with clutter, the energy won't flow effectively. As I mentioned early in the video, 2025 is about time to throw away the old and welcome the new. So it's an important year to clear out clutter and things you no longer use or need. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful and prosperous new year. See you next time.